Hi, I welcome you to AB Math Education YouTube channel. Today we have this rectangular shape. We are supposed to find the shaded area. This question is simple, but if you're not careful, you can run into an issue. Okay, so let's look at a little rectangle and the squares inside it. So here we have 2x. That means you can say that here is x and here is 2. This little space here is also x squared. That means here is x and here is x. Now when we come to this here, have been x, so there is x, and the whole of this is also 5. So this is really awesome. So let's look at the easy way first. The easy way is that we know that this length here is 5, so that means from here to here is also 5, and from here to here is 2, so that means from here to here is 2. So if we are looking for the shaded area, it's just going to be 5 times 2. That will give us 10 square units. That is the easy way that we could visualize and do it. If we want to be into algebraic stuff, we can also do that. We can say that this side here, the length, we know that the area is length times the width. The length has been given as 5 plus x. And then the width is also given us as x plus 2. And when we multiply, it's going to be x squared plus 7x plus 10. So that's the whole bigger area. For us to find the shaded, we could see that we are going to subtract each of the area given. So the whole rectangular area minus the given areas. So the bigger rectangular area has been given as x squared plus 7x plus 10. So minus that given, we know that we got 5x, we got 2x, and we got x squared. So minus 5x minus 2x and minus x squared. So when we do that, x squared and x squared will turn into 0. This 2 will be negative 7x, so this will go away with this, giving us this. And that is the leftover, and that is a shaded portion, and that becomes square units. Alright, thank you very much for tuning in into my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe if today is your first time, and see you in the next video. Be blessed. Bye bye.